Alright, so today we're gonna draw Heihei and Paw from Moana. Okay? So you wanna start with so you wanna draw Heihei first, right? Heihei's the chicken. He has yes. So he's got two really big eyes. So we're gonna draw two big eyes in the middle here. Okay. Okay, like this. Very good, Charlotte. Okay. Alright, and then his head is a circle, so we're going to connect it on top.
Where are my eyes? I don't see.
Connect it on the bottom. Okay. He has a
small...
He has these waddle-looking things. So it looks like this. It's like an A shape without the middle part, okay? The middle part is like this. Okay, can you try it? Sausage in the pan, sausage in the pan. Good job. I'm gonna trace mine, okay? You're doing very well, Charlotte. Keep going. And there's in the middle. There's a little circle for his mouth. Oh, it's an A, not an H. Sorry, you probably heard me wrong. It's a A, not an H. Okay. Alright, let's try that again, okay? The same place, but just do an A, okay? Just do an A and you'll be fine. Okay? Okay, doing my A. Alright. Good job. Yeah, and underneath you have a little circle for his mouth. There we go. Okay, now we're gonna draw his the feather on his head, okay? So you're gonna curve up like this. And then we're going to come back down, feather, okay? His eyes are kind of funny. So he's got one over here, on the upper left, and then lower right. He's looking at two different places. Okay, we're going to do skinny neck, okay? Skinny neck for the bubble. And his body's round, like this. Okay, we got some feather here. So we got some ziggy-zaggies here. And we got like 3 waves here. 1, 2, 3. Tiny, tiny legs.
I'm going to do like chicken feet, okay?
Okay.
I'm going to do a different feet.
Now we'll do his tail feathers, okay? So he's got 3 different tail feathers here. So we're going to do one, kind of like on his head. And do that curved line. Now we're going to come back in waves. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then he's got these bigger feathers that has an angle. Okay, so look. So one down. Okay. So this is gonna come back up and then connect. And then one more. Okay. He's got 2 of those feathers. I'm gonna do one here. There's a bigger feather. And now we're gonna do claw. So from the middle, we're gonna do 2 big circles. Charlotte, I'm not talking, okay? You can't hear me. 2 big circles, okay? And his head is like a triangle, okay?
Triangles.
Triangle. So, there's a triangle. This. And connected. Okay. And he's got a smile here in the middle. And then in the middle, I'm going to do another bun. Okay, check this out. It's a triangle. So we're going to do a triangle here. And that's where his nose is. Okay, a little bigger. Bigger, not too big. I said a little bit, okay? Alright. And up here, we're going to do some hair, okay? Look. Charlotte, look. These are wavy. I'm going to do 3 waves, okay? And we're going to draw his ear, okay? Take a look at this. It's a big triangle here. And then come down, curved. And curve down. Very good. Good job. And inside we'll have an oval, okay? So this is the inside of his ear. Okay, same thing on this side, okay? We're going to go all the way out. And then curve this way in. And again, we do that oval inside for his ear, okay? Very good. And he's got an oval around his eye, okay? So we're going to draw that in. And then we're going to do his eyeball. There's one more circle inside.
I was about to do the same thing on the other side.
Oh, just one side. He only has that on one side, okay? I'm gonna do a smaller circle for his eye. This is gonna be filled in. He's scratching. Okay. Now we're gonna draw his body, okay? So we have two lines. Look. See that? And here, we're gonna draw the leg on the inside, okay? Look. See this? Yeah, one line, short line, okay? Then go back up. Go back up. And then we're gonna draw his feet. It's a rectangle, okay? A rectangle. Here for his hind leg, it's an oval, okay? So we do this. And then we're gonna connect that with a straight line. Very good. And then we're gonna draw his feet, his hind foot, okay? Okay. And then same thing on the other side. Yeah, and then the foot. Between the front leg, we're gonna draw a line. Okay?
I know.
And he's got a spot here on his body over here. And draw half a circle. Okay, very good. And then another one here on his right foot. He's got a spot. Okay. Okay. That's it. So that's Hey Hey and Paw.
Let's color them.